Hi YouTube again, I'm making another video. After that wash over there, I put the clothes in the tumble dryer. I put it on a rapid 40. Here's another load, that was from yesterday. Yeah, it's just drying. Apparently rapid 40 takes 40 minutes, but on this it takes about an hour and a half or something. Something like that. So that's just my brother playing. So that's fine.
Yeah, guys, this thing is really cool though.
That's another load. It leaks at the front, so I've had to put a towel here. This is the wash basket. It's a fake one. Yeah. That's a load there. They've actually built a new lamppost there as well. That's the old one.
Oh my god, they're taking it down.
So this one was the old one. This one's the new one. So back to the tumble now. So that noise is taking the water in the dryer, and it has to heat up as well. It's already quite warm. Okay guys, I'm gonna go now. Bye.